Good morning. As usual, it's cloudy, and last night it was snow. I think 6 to 7 hours, and still no northern lights. The main reason that I came here for, but I'm thinking to go out as I have nothing special activity today. So I'm gonna explore the city a little bit, though it's a very small city, and I don't have a car to go to different places, but I will explore as much as I can. So the light is so good, like it's really good because when the sun reflects on the snow, it gives a really good lighting effect. So let's go then. So I'm fully packed out, and I'm thinking to go explore something. Let's see what we can find. I'm making these B-rolls, and people are thinking that I'm crazy, but they don't know that what's the use of it. It takes a hard time to make such kind of vlogs, so do appreciate that, guys, because I do a lot of things to make my videos nicer. Now I'm in center of Kiruna, like the centrum, the main market. So it's not that big. It's just like there, and then there are a few markets here. This is like a shopping hall, a Gallerian, and there are 2-3 shops that I can see here. That's it. I mean, that's it. That's how small it is. But on Google I saw this church, a really beautiful church, so I'm going toward that way to see how it is. On my way to church, I found this monument, and it's Ingrid year 1927. I don't know what is that, what's the history of that, but it seems like it's a soldier or maybe a student who is annoyed, or I don't know. I really have no idea. So I finally find this church, and I'm gonna see around what's in there. The church is open, so I'm gonna show you. So that was a small tour of this church. This is a pretty famous church from the Google reviews, so it's I'm lucky that it was open, so I get to see from inside and get a chance to show you guys as well. So most of the people who work in the city work in this iron factory, because Kiruna has been known as, like, they have a black gold as an iron. So they have this mining company, I can show you later, and the rest of them, they work with like tourism company. Like 60 to 70% people work in this iron factory, as per I've been told by the locals. So that's a really amazing fact. And on the other hand, it's a very like small city. I can show you, if I can fly my drone again, I will show you now. So that is the iron factory, or iron refinery, or mining factory, because that's the mountain there, and they take out the iron from there. From here you can see these trains which load up with iron, and I don't know where do they supply or where they go, but this is the factory where everybody in Kiruna almost works. Oh, it's pretty cold, minus 14 degrees, feels like minus 17, and I am not meant for this weather, but still I'm out, and I need some coffee. I looked up Google and it's just right up there. So let's go! There's one more thing in Kiruna which I didn't figure it out, but I'm a very good point and I can see it right now. It's this ski resort where that's the maximum that my camera can zoom. So here people go from in a lift up there, and from there they can ski down, but I don't know how to go there. If I get a chance, I will definitely go. I just have one day left, but let's see. So that's one more thing that you can do here in Kiruna. I'm gonna go home and edit some video. So this is the end of today's vlog. I'll see you soon.